In this video, we are going to solve some more sums based on the inequations and represent its solution on a number line. Now, in the previous video, we have seen that the replacement set was given and we chose the solution set from the replacement set. But here you see that the replacement set is not given, but instead he's saying that x belongs to natural numbers. Let's see how it works. Let's take this equation and solve it. Now here you see that the x term is on both the sides of the inequation. So what we will do is we will shift the one which is having the negative sign to the positive direction and bring this 14 to this side. So this makes it 4 plus 14 is greater or equal to 3x, and when we will shift this to this side, this will become plus 3x. And x belongs to natural numbers. So this becomes 18 is greater or equal to 6x. So if 18 is greater or equal to 6x, does that mean 6x is less or equal to 18? Yes. Does that mean x is less or equal to 18 upon 6? 6 threes are. So the value of x is less or equal to 3, and at the same time x is the natural number. So what will be my solution set? My solution set will be from natural numbers start from 1 up to 3. Do I have to include 3? Yes, because equality sign is also given over here. So starting from 1, 2 and ending at 3. So this will be my solution set. Now I am going to represent this solution set on a number line. So a straight line, arrows on both the sides, 1, 2, 3 in the middle, 2 more numbers after 3 and 2 more numbers after 1. So then dark dots will place on 1, 2 and 3. So this completes its representation on a number line. Let's take this example. Here in this question, again you have x on both the sides. So which one should we replace? We will move this 5x to this side and shift this 3 to this side. This makes it 6 minus 3 is greater than minus 4x plus 5x. As long as you have your x term on both sides of the inequation, you can make a move. But if you have a variable term, here it is x only on one side and the sign of that variable term is negative, you cannot shift that, because we know that we have to make it positive, and for doing that we need to multiply both sides of the inequation by minus 1 and then this sign flips. Now here we are safe. Why? Because our x is on both the sides, we can make the move, right? So this becomes 3 is greater than x. If 3 is greater than x, does that mean x is less than 3? Right? This statement means 3 is greater than x. So we can write this as x is less than 3. And at the same time, x is a whole number. So whole numbers start from 0. So what will be the solution set for this? It will start from 0, but it is less than 3. So 0, 1 and 2. So whole numbers which are less than 3 will start from 0 and end at 2. Now very simple. How will we represent this on a number line? A straight line, arrows on both the sides. This 0 in the middle, 0, 1, 2 in the middle. Then 2 more numbers after this and 2 more numbers before this, 0, -2 and -1, and then dark circles on 0, 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Let's solve some more examples. Now look at this. If I have a fractional inequation like this, right? This is the fractional inequation. So what do? I take the LCM first. LCM is 15. Fine. So here 3 3s are 9x. Here we see this negative sign. Now there is an invisible bracket over here. So we will place -5 into 2x minus 1, right, is greater than 1. Cross multiply, we get 9x minus 10x plus 5 is greater than 1 divided by 15. Now we can cross multiply. 9x minus 10x is minus x plus 5 is greater than 15. Now you see, since we have x on one side only, so we can't make a move, we can't shift it, we have to keep it here only. So we can shift this number. Minus x is greater than 15 minus 5. Minus x is greater than 10. Now our x should be positive. So what will we do? We will multiply both sides by -1. So this will become -1 into minus x is greater than -1 into 10. Okay, now tell me what will happen to this sign, because I have multiplied both sides of the inequation by a minus number. So this will flip. So I will get x is less than -10. So if x is less than -10 and x is integer, what will be my solution set for this? My solution set will be all the numbers which are less than 10. Which numbers are less than 10? -11, -12, -13. Wait a minute. Till what I have to take these? I don't know, because this is infinite. There is no limit. X is less than -10. There are infinite integers which are less than -10. So it will go on, right? Now the point is, how do I represent this on a number line? I will draw a straight line with arrows on both the sides. So -14, -13, -12, -11, -13, -10, sorry, and -9. Now from this side, it's going to go infinitely. I don't know the limit of this. So I will put dots to -11, -12, -13, -14. Till what? It's infinitely going on. So in that case, I'll go to the end. You see this arrow? Near this arrow, I'll put small 3 dots. What does this mean? It means that it is infinitely going on and on. Right? That's how you represent the infinite sets. Okay. Let's solve one more example. In this case, first we will take 2 as LCM. So 2 2s are 4x plus 7 is greater than, here we can take 3 as LCM. So 5x, 3 3s are 9. Now we have single terms on both sides of this inequation. We can cross multiply. So we get 12x plus 21 is greater than 10x plus 18. Now you see you have x on both the sides. You can shift one of, we will shift the smaller one towards the bigger one. So 12x minus 10x is greater than 18. This will shift to this side, minus 21. So 2x is greater than minus 3. So my x is greater than minus 3 by 2. What does that mean? X is greater than 1.5 and x is an integer. X is greater than minus 1.5. So how many numbers will be there? Infinite. There is no end given to us. So how do we represent it? The solution set will be, if it is greater than minus 1.5, which number is greater than 1.5? Minus 1. Immediate number greater than minus 1.5 is minus 1. Number means integer. We don't have to take the real numbers, we have to take the integers. So which is the number immediate greater than minus 1.5, which is the integer? Minus 1, then 0, then 1, 2, 3. This will go on and on. There's no end given to us. So how do we represent this on a number line? A straight line, arrow on both the sides, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So starting from minus 1. Here the starting point is always given to you, but where till which point you have to go, that's not given. So it will go on and on. So we will put 3 small dots, dark dots near the arrow. This will signify that this set is infinite, right?